In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Calling to talk about doing housework. Hi, it's David.
Hi, David. What's up?
I wanted to talk about the housework.
Sure. What do you want to do?
The kitchen is a mess.
Yes, I noticed that too.
Can you wash the dishes today?
Okay, I can do that.
I'll vacuum the living room.
Sounds good.
What about the laundry?
I'll start it this afternoon.
Great. I'll take out the trash.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
When should we clean the bathroom?
Maybe tomorrow morning?
That works for me.
Should we make a list?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I'll write it down.
Perfect. Thanks for helping.
No problem. Teamwork is best.
Totally agree.
Talk later.
Bye.
Bye.
Calling to remind mop the floor and clean the windows. Hi, it's Eric.
Hi, Eric. What's going on?
Just a quick reminder, don't forget to mop the floor.
Oh, yes, I'll do it after lunch.
Great. The kitchen floor is sticky.
I noticed that this morning.
Also, can you clean the windows?
Sure. I'll do the living room ones first.
Thanks. They're really dusty.
Do we still have glass cleaner?
Yes, under the sink.
Got it.
I'll vacuum the hallway while you clean.
That works.
We can finish everything by dinner.
I hope so.
Let's take a break after cleaning.
Good idea.
Thanks for helping out.
Anytime.
Talk soon.
Bye, Eric.
Bye. Calling to ask fold the laundry. Hi, it's Jason.
Hi, Jason. What's up?
Can you help with the chores today?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you fold the laundry in the basket?
Of course. Is it dry?
Yes, I took it out earlier.
I'll fold it after lunch.
Thanks. Also, the floor needs sweeping.
Which room?
The dining room and hallway.
No problem. I'll sweep both.
There's a lot of crumbs under the table.
I'll check carefully.
I'll mop after you finish.
Sounds like a plan.
Let me know if you need help.
I think I've got it.
Great. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Talk to you later.
Bye, Jason.
Bye. Wash dishes and wipe table. Hi, it's Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. What's going on?
Can you wash the dishes today?
Sure. Are they in the sink?
Yes, there aren't too many.
I'll do them after lunch.
Thanks. The table is sticky too.
I'll wipe it down right after.
Use the spray in the cabinet.
Okay. Got it.
I'll sweep the floor while you clean.
Sounds like a good plan.
Do you want help drying the dishes?
No, I'll let them air dry.
All right. Let me know when you're done.
Will do.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
Talk soon.
Bye, Kevin.
Bye. Take out trash and clean sink. Hi, it's Ben.
Hi, Ben. What's up?
Can you take out the trash today?
Sure. Is the bag full?
Yes, it's starting to smell.
I'll do it right after breakfast.
Great. Don't forget the one in the bathroom too.
I'll get both.
Also, can you clean the kitchen sink?
Is it dirty?
A little. There's some food stuck.
I'll scrub it with soap.
Use the sponge near the faucet.
Got it.
I'll wipe the counters while you clean.
Perfect.
Let's finish by noon.
No problem.
Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Talk later.
Bye, Ben.
Bye. Vacuum carpet and dust shelves. Hi, it's Alex.
Hi, Alex. What's up?
Can you vacuum the carpet today?
Sure. Which room?
The living room and hallway.
Got it. I'll do it after lunch.
Thanks. Can you also dust the shelves?
The ones in the study?
Yes, they're really dusty.
I'll use the soft cloth.
The spray is under the sink.
I'll grab it.
Let me know if you need help.
I think I'm good.
I'll clean the windows while you work.
Sounds good.
Let's try to finish everything today.
No problem.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Talk soon.
Bye, Alex.
Bye. Do laundry and hang clothes. Hey, it's David.
Hi, David. Need something?
Can you start the laundry today?
Sure. Whites or colors?
Start with colors.
All right. I'll run it now.
Don't forget the detergent.
Already got it.
After that, can you hang the clothes?
Outside or on the rack?
Outside, if it's sunny.
I'll check the weather.
Thanks. I'll fold yesterday's load.
Teamwork.
That's right.
Anything else?
Nope, that's all.
Okay. Talk later.
Bye.
Bye, David.
Clean toilet and mop floor. Hi, it's Leo.
Hi, Leo. How's it going?
Can you clean the toilet today?
Sure. Is it really dirty?
A little. Just needs a good scrub.
I'll use the toilet brush.
And the blue cleaner too.
Got it. I'll wear gloves.
Thanks. Can you mop the floor too?
Bathroom floor or kitchen?
Just the bathroom for now.
I'll do it after I clean the toilet.
Great. I'll take out the trash.
Sounds good.
Thanks for doing this.
Anytime.
Talk later.
Bye, Leo.
Bye. Organize closet and pick up toys. Hi, it's Brian.
Hi, Brian. What's up?
Can you help organize the closet today?
Sure. It's pretty messy.
Yes, clothes are all over the place.
I'll fold the shirts first.
I'll sort the socks and underwear.
Good plan.
Also, the kids' toys are everywhere.
I saw that too.
Can you pick them up after the closet?
No problem. I'll put them in the bin.
Great. I'll vacuum the floor afterward.
Perfect timing.
Let's finish before dinner.
We can do it.
Thanks for helping.
Of course.
Talk to you later.
Bye, Brian.
Bye. Water plants and clean balcony. Hey, it's Tom.
Hi, Tom. What do you need?
Can you water the plants today?
Sure. The balcony ones too?
Yes, they look dry.
I'll do it right away.
Use the green watering can.
Got it.
Also, the balcony floor is dusty.
I noticed. Should I sweep it?
Yes, please.
I'll do that after the plants.
Thanks.
Do we have a broom outside?
It's behind the door.
Okay, I'll find it.
Let me know when you're done.
Will do.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Talk later.
Bye, Tom.
Bye. Feed pet and clean litter box. Hi, it's Jack.
Hi, Jack. Everything okay?
Can you feed the cat this morning?
Sure. Is her bowl empty?
Yes, and she looks hungry.
I'll give her the dry food.
Perfect. Also, check her water.
I'll refill it too.
Thanks. One more thing.
What is it?
The litter box smells bad.
I'll clean it after feeding her.
Use the scoop and the bag.
I know where it is.
You're the best.
Just helping out.
Let me know when it's done.
I will.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
Talk later.
Bye, Jack.
Bye. Wash sheets and change bedding. Hi, it's Ryan.
Hi, Ryan. Need something?
Yes. Can you wash the sheets today?
Sure. Which ones?
The ones from the master bedroom.
I'll put them in the wash now.
Great. After that, can you change the bedding?
You mean the duvet and pillowcases?
Yes. Use the clean set in the closet.
Got it.
Let me know if you need help.
I think I'm good.
I'll vacuum the bedroom while you do that.
Perfect.
Thanks for helping.
No problem at all.
We'll have fresh beds tonight.
I love that.
Talk to you later.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye.